What's up guys, Brian with SoCo Customs and Posture 38. I say both companies because I'm going to kind of reuse this intro for both channels. The first one is going to be for SoCo Customs, but for this Wheel Wednesday video, I do want to introduce you to a new company that we have brought on here at SoCo Customs. It is going to be Ferrada wheels. Ferrada! So Ferrada is huge in the car wheel industry with these beautiful forged wheels that you're going to see behind me. The big thing that they're into is concave, so they're not going to have like the big lips, the deep sunken faces and things like that. They're going to have the spokes that'll come from the edge all the way to the center. Really cool look on a lot of vehicles, and it changes up based on sort of the size and depth and the offset and things like that. So you can order a whole bunch of the same wheel. If you got a staggered setup, you can have two different kind of offsets that are going to sink in at different amounts. But that'll be us moving on from the SoCo side of things. I'm going to jump into the Posture side of things. Once again, Posture is going to be our brand for the lowered game, the street game, track stance, airbags. Actually, that was the big reason why we got Ferradas, was we had a customer come in and he wanted the FR3 that was down here. So we'll just jump into that one. We'll start off with the FR3. It is an awesome looking 5-spoke. The customer that we put them on had some bronze ones on a Challenger. I think I told the story about that one where I called up Ferrada and I was looking for a plus 40 offset because I was hoping to avoid having to roll fenders or anything like that. And they're like, you know, you got an SRT, so we only have the plus 30 because that's the only thing that's going to clear your brakes. I was real nervous because we were going up in size, and sure enough, they tucked perfect, like a finger width between the fender and the tire. So I was definitely excited to have their expertise on that one, but I digress. So yeah, you can see on this FR3 that it is a deep concave. It does also have that floating spoke, and they're gloss around the lip where they're a little bit more of a satin through the middle of it, and it's really awesome. And you'll see that theme with some of these other styles, the non-forge 8s, where they will have that multicolored lip, or that separate colored lip that kind of changes up that look, gives us a little bit of that old almost 3-piece wheel look. So definitely a big fan of those, the simplicity of the FR3s. We'll jump up from there and we'll go with the FR4s. Again, different color lip than there is spokes. And that floating spoke, again, this will be kind of the same kind of bronze that we had the FR3s in for that Challenger that I told you about. And then we'll jump up here. This is kind of where we jump into the Forge 8 up top here. This is going to be the FR5, definitely a very traditional split spoke look. I really like when these wheels do match up the number of spokes to the number of lugs that you've got on the vehicle. So really clean look there. Of course, right behind me is going to look a lot like the FTR lineup, but this is going to be your FR9s. They're going to be a Forge 8, again with that split spoke, so they do definitely resemble the FTR 9s. So if you are looking to get into the truck game with this same kind of look, FTR, if you're just looking for this look for your car, it's going to be the FR. Jump down from there, we've got the FR8s. They're going to be another one from the Forge 8 collection. Again, a nice split spoke, a little bit different, but definitely some great concavity. You can kind of see the offset there, and really follow those spokes from the lips into the center. And then again, we jump back into sort of that floating spoke look where we've got this silver setup down here where it's going to be just that general silver, and then you've got kind of more of a polished chrome around the lip, again with that old kind of 3-piece look. Jumping into the CM2 up here, again, 3-piece look, floating spoke. You got kind of that split spoke. It's a little bit more busy. It does have these kind of little kind of rocket look to them. And then this is one of my personal favorites because it's unique. It's a lot like that Nardo gray or kind of that battleship gray, or everybody's got kind of a different name for them. It is the FR11. Again, it's going to resemble the FTR11. So it will have that deep concavity. It does look like that half of that split spoke kind of tucks in behind the other spoke. So definitely a unique look. And these are really starting to gain in popularity. I'm kind of blown away by this look. When I was first unwrapping them, and a lot of times customers would come in and they'd be like, oh, what do you got here? And I'd show them kind of the new examples and everything like that. And I was giddy because it was a lot of times it's my first time seeing those as well. So definitely got to share in that excitement with my customers. And then down at the bottom, you've got the CM1s. Again, that's going to be a split spoke look to it. It does have that floating spoke, that different color ring around the edge. So definitely has some level of uniqueness, but we're your exclusive Colorado Springs dealership. You can look it up on the Ferrada website, and we are right here east side of Colorado Springs, and we're definitely excited to get you served up. But Brian, SoCo Customs Posture 38, we are here to serve you for all your wheel needs, get you into the deep concave game, and really play around with this Ferrada brand. We're really pumped to make more videos about this brand for you and get these on a whole bunch more vehicles. Thanks, have a great day. Give this video a thumbs up, give us a subscribe, give us a follow. That's Wheel Wednesday for you guys.